Good morning. My name is Heikki Verta, and I'm so humbled for this opportunity to talk to you about Supercell and how we leverage AWS. Supercell is a mobile games company founded in 2010 in Helsinki, with offices in US, China, Japan, Korea, and Denmark. We actually started out with Facebook games, a game called Gunshine.net, but quickly pivoted to mobile in the autumn of 2011. Currently, we run 4 games globally: Clash of Clans, Clash Royale, Heyday, and Boom Beach. The company was founded on a very simple idea that the best teams make the best games, and that these teams should be small and independent, multifunctional and vertically integrated. A game team, for example, contains all the competencies needed to run the game in a DevOps manner. So client developers, server developers, artist, game designer, QA, data science, everything in the same team. These teams also have the independence to define their own vision, but of course also the responsibility for making the best decisions for Supercell, especially the hardest ones, like killing a game. Starting or stopping a new game project, for example, is not up to the leadership, but the teams. This structure allows us to minimize hierarchy, processes, and politics, and instead concentrate on the execution. We optimize for passion and speed, not control. The company as a whole is approximately 250 people, and we strive to keep the company as small as possible. A live game team is approximately 20 people, and out of those 20, 3 are server developers. These extremely small teams run some of the biggest mobile games in the world. Combined, our games have approximately 100 million daily active users, and at peak times 4 million concurrents. These users produce some 5 terabytes of data a day, which contains some 10 billion atomic rows. On AWS, we run 5,000 EC2 instances and 600 databases. So those 3 server developers in Clash of Clans team, for example, maintain some 2,000 EC2 instances, 300 MySQL databases, in addition to developing the game. So obviously our challenge is, how do we operate and develop our games at this scale with such small teams? And to be honest, the secret is not some proprietary platform or a technology that we've developed internally. It goes back to the fundamentals of building applications for the cloud and to the small and independent teams. First of all, our team structure flows all the way down to the software architecture level. At its core, the Supercell AWS architecture is a network of loosely coupled microservices. Secondly, these individual microservices are well architected. That means they use infrastructure as code for automated deployment of resources, auto-scaling to handle failures and changes in traffic volume. They expect and gracefully handle failures, and leverage AWS managed services like DynamoDB or Kinesis, where they bring the most value. Focusing on these 2 things has enabled us to deliver a highly reliable service while minimizing our internal operational workload. Of course, we didn't start out like this. In 2010, our architecture was quite different and static, but we've built it out from there. Our main remaining challenge is the self-hosted database layer, which we hope to mitigate with Amazon Aurora, which we are trying out with our new games. So on a super high level, what we need to succeed is the best people, the right culture, and the optimal platform. And AWS fits this picture perfectly. By embracing DevOps, architecting our applications for the cloud, and leveraging AWS managed services, we've been able to maintain our small and independent team structure while scaling our games to a truly global audience. With AWS, we are realizing our vision of building games for as many people as possible that are played for years and remembered forever. Thank you.